Hi, I'm Ethan Fish. I'm a new entrepreneur here in Greenville, and I'm the founder of MailBox Fix. I restore weathered and worn decorative mailboxes to make them look new again. So I'm going to be showing you in time-lapse form how to restore one of these decorative mailboxes. So let's get started. Okay, so it's getting a little bit too dark now, so I'm gonna have to finish this up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'm back. It's daylight again, the weather's cleared up, let's finish her up. Well, there you have it, yet another mailbox looking completely brand new. Make sure to contact me, Ethan, at MailBox Fix to have your mailbox restored as well. Thank you.